to the channel in Auto Addiction. You guys are checking in on the f250 project. I'm about to insert a video here on that project. Sorry it's been so long since it's been up on the channel. I got the seats right here ready to go. They're ready to go back in, and you know, like I said, they're all cleaned up, looking good. And if you guys have seen a previous video on that. So I got an update today. I'm gonna insert that video here in a second. But out here, just got off work, grilling up some brats and America, right? So van's looking good. Got the van all cleaned up this past week, so haven't been driving her too much, just back and forth to work. And appreciate all the support you guys have been giving me on my van. You guys love this thing. It will be out at Daytona Truck meet, so if you guys are planning on going to the show, and we'll have it out there at the Daytona Truck meet. This will be out there. Hopefully my F250. It's going to be a lot of long nights coming up here soon. And then also my buddy Matt's Sierra pickup truck that you guys have seen on here. It's a 2014 Sierra 2-wheel drive. He's got it lifted. If you guys follow me on Instagram, you'll see a picture up on Instagram. Hole underneath the truck is ripped out of it right now. So we'll do a video when we put it back together. It's actually all the suspensions and get changed over to McGoffey's or McGoy's, whichever way you want to call it. Suspension, all new control arms, and everything's out getting powder coated right now. So a lot of stuff going on the channel. We'll get that stuff up. So yeah, guys, I appreciate everybody checking in. And Auto Addiction, you can follow me on Instagram. You can follow me on YouTube. Please like, share, and subscribe. Guys are asking what side wheels these are on the van. They are a 17x9 Raceline wheel. I think they're the Raceline Assaults in black. They're a pretty sweet wheel. I like them because they still got a lip to them. They look real nice. They clean up real nice. They got a little accents on them, so it makes it stand out versus just like a black wheel. And then of course wrapped in the BFG all-terrain 265 7017 tire. So yeah, guys, there's a front shot. They're all nice and clean still. I'm gonna have to burn up my brats as I record, so turn down the heat a little. I like them crispy but not black. So, and there's my Moog E250 springs in it. I'm about to order some new shocks for the back, and I'll do a video when I get those in. And of course my light bar that everybody loves. Go check out Off-Road Warehouse. Just put in Baja E150 light bar in your search engine and it should come up. If not, just comment below and I'll give you the link. So alright guys, so without further ado, I'll roll the video footage I got on the F250. Sorry, I'm getting all confused now. I'll do the video footage on that. Appreciate everybody watching. Hey, if you guys are first time checking in, please hit that subscribe button. I really appreciate everybody's support. We're on our way to 1,000 subscribers, and I really appreciate that. So we're almost at 700, about to hit that 1,000 mark. That's my goal for the year. So if we can do that, I sure appreciate it. And see you guys on the next video. Stay tuned for more on both builds, and appreciate everybody watching. You guys have a good one. Alright guys, so I know you've been wanting an update video on the F250. Here she is. So guy just called me to come over and check it out. So got all the glass back in it. Got my windows back in it. New front glass, new seal, or new trim all the way around. So she's getting there, and they gotta cut and buff the whole truck, which they're waiting to put the glass back in to do that. So I'm gonna do a video. I'll do some shots of it for you guys, and then enjoy.